Woodpecker, look at him. Come on down, little buddy, come on. A squirrel went up. I think that's so cool. I'm just walking around. See, that's the very little one. That's what I'm talking about. Pretty sure that's a baby woodpecker you're looking at. See how little he is? Wait, where the hell am I? I'm sorry, guys and girls. I did it again. The zoom thing got on it. There he is. He's so cool. He's dark though, right here. You can't tell he's hardly a woodpecker other than his nose. I wonder why he doesn't. He's not afraid of me because I think he was born here and he's always eating from